Welcome back to our tutorial series on uKnowva HRMS. In this video, we'll walk you through configuring salary structure, a key step in defining how your employee's compensation is calculated. Let's get started. The salary structure section is where you set up the framework for employee compensation, including fixed and variable components. The system provides a default structure, but you can customize it to fit your organization's needs. Let's explore the options. To review or modify existing structures, head to the View Default option. Here, you'll see a list of all salary structures with key details like name, total earnings, total deductions, total salary, status, created by, modified by, and modified on. In the Action column, click the pencil icon to edit a structure. This opens a pop-up where you can update fields like structure name, yearly CTC, and earning or deduction components. After making changes, click Save to apply them or Cancel to discard. Easy, right? When you're back on the List Salary Structure window, check the box next to its name and click the bin icon at the top to delete multiple components at once. A confirmation alert will pop up. Click OK to confirm or Cancel to abort. Want to import structures switching tabs? Click the plus icon at the top of the window. It takes you back to the Add Salary Structure screen, which is already explained in the video. Need to export the list? Click the Export button to download it for analyzing the data offline. You can also use the search bar at the top left side of the page to quickly find specific structures after entering certain keywords and hitting search. Alternatively, click Reset to clear filters and view all entries again. Want to create a similar structure? Use the Copy feature. You can also check boxes next to an existing structure, and then click the clipboard icon to modify the multiple copied structures and save as new later on. If you're okay with a predefined structure, simply click Use Default Structure. This is a quick way to proceed without making any changes. Once selected, you can move on to the next section. To create a custom salary structure, go to the Add Salary Structure option. Here, you can design a framework tailored to your organization's policies. Let's break it down step by step. Start by giving your structure a name like Management Salary Structure or Standard Employee Package. This helps identify it easily within the system. Next, enter the yearly CTC and monthly CTC. These represent the total annual and monthly costs, including earnings, deductions, and benefits. The system will automatically calculate the calculated yearly CTC and calculated monthly CTC based on your inputs. Now, let's add earnings components like basic salary, HRA, and other allowances. For each component, you can set a formula, specify if it's variable, non-taxable, or if it should show in payslip. You can also choose whether it should calculate on the basis of attendance like overtime or bonuses. Similarly, in the deduction section, add components like provident fund or professional tax. You can define formulas, amounts, and settings like whether the deduction should show in payslip or calculate on the basis of attendance, such as for unpaid leave. Furthermore, you can add new earnings and deductions by clicking the plus icon in each section. Respectively, delete an existing earning or deductions row by clicking the bin icon in front of each. Once all fields are filled, click Save to finalize the structure. This ensures it's ready for payroll processing across your organization. Otherwise, click Cancel if you wish to discard these changes. And that's it! You're now ready to configure salary structures like a pro in uKnowva HRMS. See you next time!